Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Annione Hair Company. Guys, as you can see from this clip that you're watching right now, I am feeling myself. This wig came out so bomb. The lace melted, like it melted, sis. It was melted, okay? This might be the best wig I've ever installed. Like, it just came out so perfect. I love the color of the hair, the texture, the fullness. This wig was bomb, okay? If you would like to see how I installed this wig, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. And yeah, let's get into the video. Guys, so like I said, this video is sponsored by Annione Hair Company. Inside the box, I received a pack of wig caps, a comb, and some beautiful lashes. But the star of the show is the 13x4 deep wave highlight lace frontal wig that I received. 22 inches. I believe it was 180% density. Guys, this wig, I was so in love. So in love. It came pre-plucked. So if you want to pluck it, it's up to you, but you really don't have to. I did just to get it to my liking. It did good with the bleaching process. Even after washing it and everything, you can see I was still able to run my fingers through those curls, and I let it air dry. And the wig just looked so cute that it was just like, put me on, girl. I'm not going to talk too much, so let's get into the install. just doing my finishing touches with the hot comb. The install is complete. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did, because your girl was jamming while recording this install. You see me, I'm Beyonce. Girl, bye.
Are you Beyonce? Every day somebody thinks I'm Beyonce.
I feel like Beyonce with this wig. This wig was so nice. You need to stop what you're doing. Go in the description box. Click the link. Purchase this wig. The holidays are right around the corner. You got Thanksgiving. You got Christmas. Yes, get you this wig so you can go to your family gathering and slay and get compliments just like I did on this wig, because this wig got me so many compliments at my son's football game. Girl, I was feeling myself. So yeah, make sure you make that purchase. Use the code extra to get you some coins taken off. Who doesn't want that? But guys, yeah, just go purchase. Just stop what you're doing and go purchase this wig. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're going to be making you a purchase and getting this wig. Or if you've ever purchased hair from this company before, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on their hair. But guys, I was just so in love. This was like my best install ever. It just came out nice, girl. Even the baby hair came out good. And everybody knows I'm not good at baby hairs, but I've been practicing and I'm going to get better. And these baby hairs actually came out good. The lace melted good, and I only used the Got to Be freeze spray. So I need to give myself a pat on the back. Look at that color. I love it. Yes, don't mind my pajama pants. Leave me alone. But guys, yes, I did my hair to slay and sit on the couch and feed my newborn son. Guys, until next time, you already know, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. See you guys next time. Bye.